What's going on, guys? Three Wheels on a Block. So Salem Doyle called me out and he said, "Hey, Three Wheels, why don't you try that window wheel cleaner that you're using on some dirty wheels? So this one's for you." This is one of the wheels on my Buick Regal GS. This one's pretty clean. And this wheel up here is the dirty wheel. Oh yeah, some curb brush. That wasn't from me though. That's when I left it at the dealership one time for some service. Anyway, this wheel is pretty nasty. That's just my opinion. I mean, there are probably some dirtier wheels out there, but this one's dirty. I mean, it's bad. Sorry for the wind noise. It is extremely windy today. I would do this in the garage, but you know, why be in the garage when you be outside? There you have it. Took about 4 minutes to do this wheel by hand. So that's the after effect of the awesome window cleaner from the Dollar Tree. It's the vinegar formula. Now for those of you who don't like to scrub, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side with a water hose, and we'll see what the difference is. This was quite a bit of elbow grease, but these wheels are a little complicated in the design. But yeah, so it comes out just as good as that one. Let's go to the other side. It's a bit cleaner, but there's still some dirt you can see kind of sitting on the surface of the wheel. So you'll have to take a rag and wipe up the rest of it. Or if you have a wheel woolly, you can use that during the process to agitate the surface, just you would with any other wheel cleaner. In this case, we're using a Dollar Tree microfiber, and you can see this one's already dirty. Clean microfiber here. Go back and wipe down any lingering residue. Alright, there's the finished product. She looks pretty good. I realized that I have some overspray on this wheel I didn't know about. Like right in this area here. I'm not sure where that came from. It's really bizarre. So there you have it. Totally awesome window clean vinegar formula. Picked it up at the Dollar Tree. They also have this 2-pack of Driver's Choice microfiber towels. That's what I use to clean the wheels with. So for $3, you can get your wheels clean on a budget. Can't beat it. My name is Erwin with Three Wheels on the Block. Thank you for watching. Thanks for Salem Doyle for the question about, hey, how does it work on really dirty wheels? So you've seen them on some pretty dirty wheels. I'll see if I can find some nasty wheels to clean up with it. Until then, we'll see you next time.